Here are the top educational systems in the world based on various global rankings. 1. Finland. Finland has consistently ranked as one of the best educational systems in the world. It is known for its high-quality education system, which focuses on individual learning, teacher training, and equality in education. 2. South Korea. South Korea is known for its high-performing students and rigorous education system. Its education system is characterized by a strong focus on science, technology, engineering, and math STEM subjects. 3. Singapore. Singapore's education system is renowned for its emphasis on quality education, innovation, and creativity. The country's education system is highly centralized and focuses on developing students' critical thinking skills. 4. Japan. Japan's education system is known for its emphasis on discipline, hard work, and a strong work ethic. The country has a highly standardized education system that prioritizes teacher training and curriculum development. 5. Hong Kong. Hong Kong's education system is characterized by a high level of academic rigor and a strong focus on science, technology, and math STEM subjects. The country's education system also emphasizes the importance of bilingualism and developing students' critical thinking skills. For more videos, please subscribe.